Hey friends, so recently my battery died on one of my Simplisafe sensors, or it was getting low, so I changed it out. It was a door entry sensor, and this started giving me a system error. Like it said, what was it saying? It wasn't responding with the unit. So I was like, "What's going on?" And I, took the battery back out, put it back in, and it just keeps saying there's a problem with the sensor. Contact Simplisafe. So if you don't want to do that, I found a simple fix to it. You just go to your menu, press the menu button, put your pin in, and then go to devices. Right, hit open. Now, mine was the garage door entry sensor, so I just clicked on that and went down to remove. So I just removed the device. Okay, it was gone, and that cleared that. Okay, so once you remove your device, just go back and devices. You can open up devices. And then just go back to add, just go to add device. All right. So I just clicked on add device, and I went down to the garage, just put in the garage one, and you just hold down the little button on the bottom of the device there. It starts flashing or whatever, and it recognizes it and just adds it. So just like you would normally do a setup with your Simplisafe, that's just uninstall the thing and just reinstall it, and it works perfectly. So it happened when the battery was low, and then it wasn't responding, and it kept telling me that every time I armed it or something, garage door sensor not responding, and so it kept getting that error. So a quick way to fix that: just uninstall that device and just reinstall it. Again, it takes a minute to do. So I hope this helps you guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll have a great day.